from you to tell you something, just like an example. During this last month of June, last week, 4 or 5 students from Shillong College came and meet me in my office, and which just happened to be from my own district, Giant Hills. Then when they give me the slip, I called them immediately because I saw the name is student of Shillong College. When they meet me and sit and discuss, I give them coffee. I told them, okay, tell me what I should do for you. And they talk about job, government job. And they are very, very helpless, restless. I told, what happened? And they told me, sir, you see, we are studying now, we are yet to complete our degree, but we are restless.